Good morning and welcome to e-learning classes of Sant Michael's Academy Bettiya. Students, myself Dr. Janan, and we have the topic fixed investment and inventory investment. These are the components of investment. In the previous video, we have discussed about the fixed investment. That fixed investment is the change in the fixed assets. Fixed investment refers to the change in the fixed assets during the period of an accounting year. Now we have the inventory investment. Inventory investment. To know the inventory investment, we have to know inventory stock. Inventory stock. Inventory stock. You already know that producers have fixed assets, plants, machineries, etc. Along with these fixed assets, producers has many other inputs, raw materials, etc. These stocks are called the inventory stock. Inventory stock include the following. First, stock of raw materials. Stock of finished good. And a stock of semi-finished goods. Semi-finished goods. A producer may have the stock of raw materials, a stock of finished goods, and a stock of semi-finished goods. Semi-finished goods means the goods which are under the production. These stocks are called inventory stock. These stocks are called inventory stock. And the change in this inventory stock during the period of an accounting year, a given accounting year, is called inventory investment. Now here it is clear. Inventory investment refers to the change in the inventory stock of the producer during the period of an accounting year. Inventory stock includes a stock of raw materials, a stock of semi-finished goods, and a stock of finished goods. Now we can get the formula of inventory investment. Inventory investment is equal to the change in the inventory stock. Change in the inventory stock. Inventory investment is equal to inventory stock at the end of an accounting year minus inventory stock at the beginning of the accounting year. We can get the formula of the inventory investment. Inventory investment is equal to the inventory stock with the producers in an economy at the end of an accounting year minus inventory stock with the producer in an economy at the beginning of the accounting year. A stock of the inventory is necessary or significant. Why? Producer have some inventory investment or the stock of the raw materials, semi-finished goods and finished goods for the regular supply of the inputs, so that production process can't be stopped due to the lack of the raw materials. So producers keep a stock of raw materials. Some goods are under process and producers also keep the stock of the finished good to meet the future demand in the market. Inventory stock with the producer may be desired or undesired. Inventory stock with the producer may be desired or non-desired. Desired inventory investment. Desired inventory investment refers to the expenditure on the planned stocks, planned inventory stock. It refers to the expenditure on the planned inventory stock. Inventory stock. Desired inventory investment refers to the expenditure by the producer on the planned inventory stock. I have already said that producers keep raw materials so that production process take continuous. Production process can't stop in the lack of the raw materials. They also keep the stock of the finished good so that they can fulfill the future demand. And another is the undesired inventory investment. Undesired inventory investment. Undesired inventory investment are the unplanned inventory stock. It is the expenditure by the producer on the unplanned inventory stock. It is due to the low demand in the market and it causes loss to the producers. In this way, we know that investment include two components: fixed investment and inventory investment. Now watch the next video to get the gross investment, to get the knowledge of the gross investment and net investment.